Good day, ladies and gents. This is Carmen, letting you know the topics that I'm going to be touching on when we run the Tax Essential program during the month of April. On my agenda, we have Budget 2015, and no, I will not be spending time in talking about rate changes, but would rather want to spend some time and debate around some of the recommendations made in the budget speech, which definitely has an impact on the financial planning environment. So that is what I will be touching on in terms of Budget 2015. There are some small changes that have crept in that I just want to alert you to make sure that we know it is there and we've got to comply. And those are small things like the restraint of trade, that has had a change. Also, the determined value for company car fringe benefit is being phased in, so we need to understand that a little bit. And of course, I'm touching again on the withholding, disposing, my apologies, of immovable property, interest as well as services. Then I did bring in one or two topics, actually three topics, that I thought would be interesting debate, because there are definitely tools that are being used in the financial planning environment. A lot of financial planners are actually advising, and clients are definitely taking advantage of, and that is setting up a special trust through a testamentary, a will and testament, because of the fact that special trusts are being taxed as natural persons and not at the full rate of 40%. So I want us to take a look at that particular tool. Also, the buying of property and letting. Is it viable? What are the taxes around it? What about the ring fencing? And is it something that we should be looking and advising in terms of retirement planning? And also a change that came in about a year or two ago is the reduction or cancellation of a debt. That does have an impact on financial planning as well, because there were two case laws that came up a few years ago with regards to something that clients should not be doing in a will and testament. But because of the new sections that have come in, it is actually pretty safe to now do it. Maybe not always recommended, so it's definitely up to the client situation, but thought that would be an interesting one for us to look at. Well, that's just a few little things that we're going to be talking on, and I really look forward to meeting you during April. Enjoy.